Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
And Ivan is here with a look at this chilly night ahead, right, Ivan?
Yeah, it's already cold. I mean, that's the difference from last night. We went to bed in the 70s, and temperatures hit the 50s. The 50s are already with us. That's been pretty much the temperature all day. We hit 61 briefly earlier this afternoon, and now we're back under 55 degrees, 53 there in Homestead, and we're now in the 50s in Marathon, Key West, about to dip below 60 degrees. Look how cold it is. Central Florida, the 40s again tonight, 30s up into the Panhandle. We're not going to get that cold, but I think we will have some upper 40s here, and there's still a bit of a wind out there. It's not a howling wind, so we're not talking about huge wind chills, but any little extra wind out there with temperatures in the upper 40s is going to feel colder in the morning, and that's the setup. Now, tomorrow afternoon, unlike today, we won't get stuck in the 50s here. I think we'll manage 70-degree weather by the afternoon, so definitely a layers kind of day. We will start chilly, but by the afternoon, we warm up. A little bit cooler on Thursday. Temperatures back into the upper 60s range to around 70, and then for the weekend, the only change really is this frontal boundary coming in. I think for Saturday, we're going to be ahead of it. Remember, anytime you're ahead of a cold front, southwest wind develops and you really warm up. So pushing 80 on Saturday afternoon. The problem is this front will arrive with a little bit of moisture, so I'm thinking a few showers. Coverage only about 20%, not going to be a huge deal. And then Sunday we clear it out. Front goes south, and then we cool back down again. It's the up and down temperatures, but tonight definitely down, as upper 40s will be the rule here. Miami right around 50 degrees. We may go below that to about 49 degrees. I think that would be about as cool as we get. And then 50s down into the Keys will be holding there. Despite the chilly start, as I mentioned, by the afternoon, we should get back into the lower 70s. That's 10 degrees warmer than we had it today. So a huge difference with full sunshine in the afternoon. Here's a few scattered clouds and temperatures. Once again, this is a double deal here for us on Thursday as far as the 40s. So another drop in temperature. As soon as the sun goes down tomorrow, we'll quickly start tumbling, and that'll set us up for upper 40s, even some mid 40s, not out of the question by Thursday morning. And then a big warm up towards the end of the weekend, heading into the weekend, as I mentioned, ahead of that front. By Saturday, we're at 80 degrees. So we're in the upper 40s to around 50, still at 9 o'clock at 55, and then we'll get into those upper 60s to low 70s by the afternoon. I think about 71, and then we'll likely stay below 70 degrees on Thursday. Notice the overnight temperatures. What a jump there with that southwest to west wind. Yeah, 60s overnight and near 80-degree weather with a slight chance of a shower for Saturday before we cool back down. But that next cool down is not going to be as rough as this one. 50s for overnight lows and highs in the 70s.